Travis County leaders are moving forward with plans to build a new mental health diversion center. Those facilities divert those accused of low-level crimes to get mental health treatment instead of going to jail. The KVUE defenders told you earlier this week what Williamson County is doing to help mentally ill inmates. Tonight, a look into the efforts happening in Travis County, as 40% of Travis County's jail population is dealing with mental health issues. Here's investigative reporter Jenny Lee.
For a better understanding of why the county needs a new diversion center, Travis County Judge Andy Brown says we need to see central booking for ourselves. Cameras are not allowed beyond the lobby. After the tour,
it's a very small space.
Judge Brown says it's clear there's not enough room for staff to evaluate arrestees and maintain privacy.
They get a basic mental health assessment by kind of answering some yes/no questions. And that all happens right there immediately and just a few feet. The other direction is the sort of population of people who are waiting to be processed.
Judge Brown says one option is having a new diversion center across the street from central booking, because he says it makes it easier to transfer arrestees for mental health treatment.
The county owns that parking garage, and the county obviously owns the jail and this facility. What I would like to do is build a mental health diversion center.
According to the Travis County Sheriff's Office, the jail population between the Travis County Jail here in downtown Austin and the correctional complex here in Del Valley is about 2,200. Authorities say 40% of that, or roughly 880 inmates, are dealing with mental health issues. Data from the Travis County Sheriff's Office also shows the jail population fluctuating during the pandemic, from 2,164 in March of 2020, dropping to 1,400 in March of 2021. The jail population bounces back in 2022 with a high of 2,300 inmates in August of last year.
We need to do something better.
Brown and other county and mental health leaders are visiting other diversion centers for best practices. Travis County Sheriff Sally Hernandez has been part of those trips.
We're not a hospital. We're a correctional facility.
Sheriff Hernandez says a new diversion center will give law enforcement another alternative to get mental health care to those in crisis.
They'd have other options other than just taking them to the ER, taking them to the jail. So it would get officers back on the streets answering other calls.
In Travis County,
so this is a locked facility.
Law enforcement have another choice.
So this room.
The Judge Guy Hermann Center for Mental Crisis diverts those in emergency detention from emergency rooms and offers short-term psychiatric crisis care, among other services. Integral Care runs the center. Don Hanley is chief of operations.
What's really special about our program is that we designed it from a trauma-informed care. So it's not an institutional setting.
I was going through a very bad meltdown.
22-year-old Bailey Willis says tough times the past couple of years landed her at the Hermann Center.
I guess I ended up driving recklessly and I was out. I was not there, and I probably would have ended up going to jail if somebody didn't call mental health officers on me.
Willis is one of about 2,500 people the Hermann Center has served since it opened in 2017. But with 16 beds,
we're pretty busy.
County and mental health leaders say more needs to be done to provide access to emergency psychiatric services.
This is our diversion center location.
Williamson County opened its mental health diversion center last year. This facility serves up to 10 people.
Sometimes these short, limited crises can be solved in such a short period of time. We can provide that support here.
A steering committee of mental health experts from UT's Dell Medical School will soon make recommendations to Travis County commissioners on how to go about implementing the new diversion center, because providing mental health care to nearly 900 inmates is challenging.
It's very difficult for them to manage the behaviors and keep a calm environment so that people can feel safe.
For the KVUE Defenders, I'm Jenny Lee.
Judge Brown says it's still too early in the process to know how much a new diversion center will cost.
We expect more information as Travis County commissioners take this up at their next commissioners court meeting on March 7th.